we got here around 1:30 local time, but in a late time would be like 5:30 in the morning. So we were really tired. And now it's 9 o'clock here, and this is where we are staying. We are heading to the train station, and this is how looks like if you go. We are in a taxi right now.
Just speak louder, Zuna, because the camera can't hear you.
We're going to take the train to the Candy.
Yeah, hopefully we'll be able to
Get a ticket.
get a ticket and stuff and find everything. I'm not sure if people here will speak English, but
No,
anyway.
I think they do.
Okay, hopefully they do.
I just show you the surroundings. Come on, go.
Okay.
It doesn't look.
To get on the other side, you just have to walk across the train tracks.
No way.
How are you gonna get across?
We should be on this side, isn't it?
I don't know. I think there's a halfway down there.
But hang on, but we need to get a ticket.
We'll go have a look. Take the camera up and we'll find the.
Hang on, look, there is the. What
I
is
reckon
this?
we can just
bridge?
cross.
No.
Shortcut.
It's reasonably crowded in the train. There's plenty of people on the train track, but that's okay. But we need to talk to someone, Daniel. Oh, right here. Station master. Here. Get inside. I think it's here. That's okay. We for 120.
How many tickets?
Two.
Two.
Two tickets. Second class.
How much is first class?
First class ticket we don't issue.
Okay.
That's
you
okay,
should-
yeah.
Okay, second class.
Yes.
Second class. is okay.
But do you know where do we put the stuff on the train? Where do we put stuff on the
Can we
train?
put this on the train? Can you take this?
Me?
Yeah. Yes.
And luggage they get in the phone. Yes, you can.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. Can we buy 2 tickets?
2 tickets.
120 to Kandy.
At 120, yeah.
280 rupees.
Okay.
Yeah. So train will be on this side or other
Next
side.
The other
Platform
side.
number 3.
Platform 3 down there.
Yes.
Platform 3, okay.
There for you now?
If you want to take ticket, you should come to outside of the
Oh,
station.
sorry.
This is
don't know.
office.
Okay, I don't know. Sorry.
Train is coming, and we are going to be worried about this luggage. It's going to be lots of
I
people.
think we might go this weekend.
I think it's going to be honest.
We will see.
And we will know.
Max, get set.
There you go. Here's the train. Holy shit. I hope some of them will get off.
There you go.
I was hoping it wouldn't be this bad.
What, 2.5 hours? There we go.
You got the candy?
Yeah.
Well, that was second class. This is, no, that was third class. This is second class. I've got to say, this is slightly better. It's not too bad now. At least we'll have seats.
Yeah, it's getting nice and cool and breezy over here now. Nice people
Yeah.
and nice views.
Yeah.
And we're getting close to the candy.
And we have just arrived at Kandy. We booked a hotel from a TripAdvisor and paid.
Agoda, basically.
Pay, but
I think it was from Agoda. It was from Agoda. I think we got Agoda from TripAdvisor.
yeah, we found this hotel via the TripAdvisor, and then paid the hotel booking, everything, used Agoda, and it turned out when we arrived at the hotel, the hotel manager asked that it would be more money. It was very dodgy, and we had it was a little bit upsetting. I think the room. Finally, time to kill. So guess what I guess what I bring from Australia. Da 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 da. Time to do keep my forearm strength.